Hi, I'm Craig from Bridgestone, here at Quick Fit to talk about Bridgestone's Turanza T005 touring tyre. Bridgestone's Turanza T005 is an award-winning summer touring tyre, leaving you feeling confident and in control in both wet and dry driving conditions. Bridgestone's T005 integrates advanced technology from Bridgestone, including Nano Pro Tech, which helps with rolling resistance to help your fuel go further, wet performance for when British rain strikes, and wear so that your tyres last longer. High volume slots and circumferential grooves in the tread design help with the dispersion of water from under the tyre, improving grip on wet roads and preventing aquaplaning. Fear of getting a flat? Bridgestone's DriveGuard Run Flat technology is available in selected sizes, so that if you get a puncture, you can drive for up to 50 miles at 50 miles an hour. To find out more about Bridgestone's Turanza T005, visit your local Quick Fit or quickfit.com. All claims can be verified at bridgestone.co.uk.